Today we're going to talk about tables and the importance of them for a real estate website. We're here on Find Robin Online. It's a real estate website here in the city of Long Beach for Keller Williams Coastal Properties. Top producer Robin Awerda and his team run it. And this is what their website looks like. It's got some jump pictures here. When they click on them, they can go directly to Bellflower Homes, Tanglewood Townhomes, which is in Cypress, all of Cypress Homes, Long Beach Homes, and so on. So if a consumer landed on this website here and they clicked on Long Beach, not only do they have this menu, taking a little bit of time to load here, they have the menu up here. There's a secondary menu right here customized for the area. So it has Long Beach Homes, Long Beach neighborhoods. It could have, selling your Long Beach home. It could have a lot of different areas, research, local dining, things where people, when they buy into a community like Long Beach, you're buying into a lifestyle. It's not just a house or a condo or an income property. You're really buying a lifestyle. So we're going to look at Long Beach neighborhoods. So I'm going to click on the menu button here for Long Beach neighborhoods. It's going to pull up this table or list of Long Beach neighborhoods. Now there are about 45 Long Beach neighborhoods in this list here. And you'll notice here it has the neighborhood names, and here it has the current number of listings. So how do we do that? This is for Alamios Beach. So when you click on Alamios Beach, it would open up a page. I'm just opening a second page to give you an idea what it looks like. And when it loads here, you would change the banner to kind of match the neighborhood, and that'll be in a different video. But you change the banner here to match the neighborhood instead of having the same picture over and over again. This here is called breadcrumbs, and then this is a map search provided by one of my vendors named Showcase IDX. And we're going to kind of look on how to create searches in that in just a minute here. But in Alamios Beach, currently there's only one property for sale, and that's a house. So you could have condos in Alamios Beach and have all of them listed here. This agent and I decided to just put houses. If you wanted houses and condos, you would just change the Showcase IDX search to show that, and they'd all be displayed here on the map. You can show a map or not show a map. You can have listings here where it has a picture of the property and a description, or it could be in a grid format. Some of the consumers, they just like to go through and scroll through the photos here instead of looking at the full details of it. It says get to know Long Beach homes and then view neighborhoods. So when you click on view neighborhoods, it goes back to that neighborhood page I was just on. Everything goes slow when you're doing a video. So here it is, Long Beach neighborhoods. And so the owner of this website, Robin Awerda, could add more content here. In this section here, that's content is language, words, creating a sense of getting to know people and giving them ideas on how to search and what to do. There could be lots of calls to action in here. This is a list of neighborhoods. And then down below the table, Robin could add more content at the bottom here because the internet is based on content. And that's what really drives all the searches regardless. If you can do enough content on each page that you have on your website, you need to use an advertising campaign at all. No pay-per-click advertising. We'll do that in another video. So right now we're going to add some more. See, we have neighborhoods and we have listings. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook up some more listings if there's any pages here. I'm not sure. And then we're going to hook up more listings to show how many listings are in each one. It's paginated right here. So you can go to page 2, all the neighborhoods. That means 141 properties for sale citywide. And so we're going to work on Los Cerritos. Let's see if there's a custom search in Showcase IDX for Los Cerritos and North Long Beach, and then we'll drop it in. So we're going to go over here to There's Long Beach neighborhoods. I called it sidebar because it also appears on a sidebar, and I'll show you what that looks like. Let's go to edit. And this is in Ninja Table Pros, which I install for my clients. I have one master account for the Pro version. Then I just kind of include that with everybody. Since I'm using it, it's awesome. And then over here, let's go with North Long Beach. So I hit this little pencil item here. I could edit it like this when it works. I find it really hard. Just hit the pencil. It opens up like this. If there's a page on the website, I would highlight the text. I'd hit the link right here. And then I would just type in North Long Beach. And then it'll say, well, there's no page created for North Long Beach. Oh, that's an assignment for Robin to do. Create one for North Long Beach. That means he gets to write some content for North Long Beach. So it's not hyperlinked where people would click on it and go to North Long Beach. Then we're going, okay, where do we get the listings? This is what Robin's account looks like on the back end. And I went into an area called Settings, Shortcodes. And in Shortcodes, I can set up a search bar. I can make a generic search bar like this. Or I could do one with the advanced search, is what I like. It has a little extra link down here for consumers. I could apply a search like this is North Long Beach. North Long Beach. If I put it in there like this, I click that, I can create a custom button. Then it's already preset to North Long Beach. It makes it easier for the consumer to search North Long Beach, and then that would appear on a page all about North Long Beach, the benefits of living there, not just a bunch of listings like Zillow, Realtor.com, and Homes.com does, but you got to give people content to understand the neighborhood, understand what to expect there, what's fun to do in North Long Beach. You really have to go the extra mile because most people don't do that. Most people just say, I just want a website. Okay, well, that's great. And, I generate a lot of traffic for my own real estate business because I've written lots of content. I'm not a big blogger, but I've written lots of content, and that's how I get lots and lots of people. So I always tell people, write content. Oh, Jay, I don't have time. Sure you do. You have plenty of time. We all have the same number of hours in a day. Okay, so what we're going to do is we can do a giant map, just to give you an idea what it looks like. You could zero in on a map. Let's see. You could apply a search to that if you wanted to do it. There's a lot of crazy things you can do with this. So if I did North Long Beach like this, I could click a search in map, and you could display that code right here. Instead of getting all crazy today, we're just going to go with search results content or count. You do a sign-in page. I just use this. Okay. Anyway, to make this table easier, we're just going to go with keeping me on track so I can go back to my other businesses. So I just typed in North Long Beach. How did I do that? Okay, well, I have a hot sheet. These are all the hot sheets that I created for Robin for his website. It takes a lot of time, so when I tell people how much it costs to create a website, it includes all the hot sheets. It's just they're all they all required a certain amount of time. So if we hit North Long Beach here, this is the North Long Beach hot sheet that I created. We'll do hot sheets on another day. So let's go back to shortcodes. We're going to go to search result count. We're going to hit apply a save search, which is going to be North Long Beach. North Long Beach. I'm going to click on that. So that's the code for North Long Beach, and it tells me there are 8 houses for sale because we've set it up as homes, not homes and condos, just homes, because people are normally just searching for either homes or condos. I mean, if you're searching for income property, there could be another one for income property as well. But we're going to do homes. We're going to hit copy. Then we're going to move this out of the way. We're going to go over here, and we're going to just paste it right in here. If there was a page for North Long Beach, I would highlight it, click link, type in the name North, the page on the website. So there's no page on the website. We just type that in. So we can't hook that page up. That would hyperlink it when people click on it. You hit update, and now you have North Long Beach and the number of listings for that. So if we look back one page, so everything that's highlighted with underline here means there's a page on the website for Belmont Shore, and it will show the number of listings in the neighborhood. So here's Belmont Shore. There again needs to be a different banner cover in the back here for the area. This isn't Belmont Shores. This is actually downtown. This is part of Belmont Heights where the Galaxy building is. So we need to work on that. And in here, there's a little bit of content here. And then there's a search bar. Now the search bar could be set up just for Belmont Shore. That's up to the owner of the website. It's in the list mode like this. So people could scroll through the listings that way, look on more results. There could be more information at the bottom here. There's just ways to improve a website. It's not just, if you just want a cheap website with a bunch of listings, I can tell you where to go. Doesn't mean you're going to get any business off of it. Let's do another page here, Park Estates. Let's click on the pencil item. And then you could highlight this. I don't know if there's a page for Park Estates. Park Estates. Nope, just El Dorado Park Estates. That's completely different. Park Estates is near Cal State Long Beach. We're going to go back to Robin's Showcase IDX account. I can get you probably a discount there, or a trial. Let's look up Park Estates. Park Estates, there it is. And there's one listing for sale that's a house there. We're going to hit copy. Moved off the string. And we're just going to paste it in. It's that easy. Okay, so what does it look like? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go find his neighborhood page. We're going to refresh the page. And it takes a little bit of time. It's called the internet. And we're doing a video. It's never ever quick. And here it is. Here's all these are all the ones that have pages, so there's a lot more work to be done by the owner of the website. And then we're going to go to page 2, and we just put in Park Estates, 1 listing, North Long Beach, 8 listings, and Los Cerritos next. And it's just a way of giving people what to look for. Now, Robin could do this, and it'll be up to him to decide. He could go in and say, wow, this is great, but you know, I'd kind of like to have price ranges. So he could add a column. He could call it price ranges. And he could say, okay, this is going to be a single line of text. So we could do a numeric value, but then it would just be one. It wouldn't be really a range. So we're just going to use a text field and add column. Now it's price ranges. So he could look them up on the MLS, and he could write in and say Lakewood Village is maybe 800,000 to 1.5 million. Or he could abbreviate, and he could put all the price ranges here, so when people search the chart, they could find out where the best neighborhood is for the price that they qualify for to buy a home. He could figure out how many homes are in the neighborhood and create another column for a number of homes in the neighborhood. There's a lot of things you can do with the Ninja Tables Pro that benefit the consumer, and this is just one area. So I'm going to take the price ranges out because I'm not sure that Robin's going to want that on his chart. I'm going to delete that out. And then the table design. And the reason I like this Ninja Tables Pro add-on is that it's really mobile friendly. And so you got the desktop version with a searchable bar. You have a tablet version for people who use the tablet. Then you have the mobile version. A lot of people are searching by mobile nowadays, And so, they have a quick way to access all the homes in Belmont Heights or Belmont Park. There could be a neighborhood section just of condominiums and all the benefits of the condominiums. Are they pet friendly? How many units are there? What the association is there? It's just all information a real estate professional will have, and they could just put it all together into a table. Does it take time? Sure, everything takes time, but that's just how it works when you're creating an awesome website. And then down here, I like to enable stackable tables for mobile, and then hide the column headings when you're looking at it on a phone, so it doesn't really have to say these two things, or I could have it say those. And then in some situations, the table is smaller, so I'll eliminate the ability to search. I think it's this one here. And that takes the search function out. They can still sort them. So there's just a lot of different things you can do with this extra table. You can change the colors, and you can do all kinds of really fancy things with it. Then you hit update table, and there's some more techie stuff. I don't always use all that. And so that's how you go through and edit your table to show neighborhoods for houses, neighborhoods for condos, directories for condo buildings. Take one city at a time. Don't try to cover the entire California or all of Arizona, all of Texas. Take one city at a time. So if you're in Texas and you're in Austin, max out Austin. That's what the top portals that you compete against, like Zillow, they have so many different ways that I can share in another video or when we talk on the phone, that they're doing things that you have never heard of. But if you do the same thing and add content, you have the ability to actually rank over them in the search engines. We'll talk about what ranking looks like in our next video, so you get a better idea on how to dominate the search engines online in your real estate business.